guys, welcome to iTristanClay's unboxings, and this is the unboxing of Piranha. I know it came out back in 2010, and I've kind of been behind watching some movies, and I really like this one. I guess it was so bad it was good, but I don't know how to judge that. But I really enjoyed this one. And the sequel came out, bad reviews, but personally, I really liked it. Can't wait to unbox it for you guys and get it. But it was really good. Critics liked this one, but the people didn't. But the critics didn't like the second one. So, I want to unbox it. This was at Walmart in the $5 bin. It was really cheap, so I just picked it up. Why not? Okay, so it's just a simple disc. So I got this. I got Dirty Dancing, Journey to the Center of the Earth, and so I thought might as well just go ahead and do an unboxing. So thanks for watching.